Roof boxes are a great way to get extra space for luggage on a road trip. Here's our guide to the boxes available. Before we start though, you'll need roof bars for your car, and to double check the maximum roof load, you can find this in your owner's manual. If you're unsure about what bars you need for your car, pop into your local Halfords store and one of our in-store experts will be able to help you. First, you need to consider space. Roof boxes are measured in litres. The more litres the box, generally the more you can fit in. Shape is also important. If you're a skier or cyclist, a half-width box is a great idea, allowing you to mount a carrier at the same time as your roof box and take your bike and skis with you. Standard roof boxes like this one open on one side only. But to make life easier, a dual opening box is available, allowing you to open the lid from either side of your car. Particularly handy if you're in a tight spot when loading or unloading your box. The way you attach your roof box can differ depending on the roof bar sizes. The box is clamped to the roof bars and tightened, using a clamp inside the roof box. The U-bolt fits square or aero bars. This one, on the other hand, has a quick fit system instead. Using claw-like fittings, it can be tightened to virtually any shape of roof bar, including square, aero or wing bars. You can find our roof boxes online or in-store. So if you're thinking of getting one, click here or head down to your local Halfords store, where a member of the team will be able to talk you through them and even fit them for a small service charge.